नमस्ते एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज के वीडियो में हम बनाने वाले हैं एक ब्यूटीफुल सी आर्ट जर्नलिंग। एंड इफ यू आर न्यू ईयर, हाय, माय नेम इज श्रेया, डू सब्सक्राइब एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडॉ लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो। फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु डोंट नो व्हाट इज आर्ट जर्नलिंग, बेसिकली ये एक विजुअल डायरी होती है। इसमें आप अपने आइडियाज़, इमोशंस और जो भी आप फील करते हो सब कुछ ही आप क्रिएटिवली एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो थ्रू आर्ट। You can use any art form that you like, you can paint with any medium that you like। और जर्नलिंग के बेनिफिट्स ये है कि ये आपका स्ट्रेस कम करने में हेल्प करता है, माइंड को अनवाइंड करता है एंड इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी क्लियर विजन। और ऑनेस्टली ये काफ़ी रिलैक्सिंग और थेरेपेटिक प्रोसेस होता है। So in this video, my inspiration is from the movie Little Women, जो कि मेरी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट मूवी है। रिसेंटली आई वॉज वॉचिंग दिस मूवी एंड उस टाइम पर एक पर्टिकुलर सीन आया और उस मोमेंट पर मुझे लगा व्हाई नॉट टू पेंट दिस सीन। एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई सी द सीन इन द मूवी, मैं पूरा ही सेटअप देख के अमेज हो जाती हूँ। The background, the colors, the lighting and the dialogues, everything is shot very beautifully कि honestly ये सीन एक piece of art जैसा लगता है। हर छोटी डिटेल्स को इतना thoughtfully डिज़ाइन किया गया है और ये मुझे इंस्पायर भी करता है कि मैं भी अपने जर्नलिंग और पेंटिंग में वही फीलिंग कैप्चर करूँ। And with that I decided to paint this beautiful scene. So I finished painting and I took a break and decided to start something fresh tomorrow. And it's a new day with more clarity and a room for creativity to flow. यहाँ पर मैं इट्सी बिट्सी की जर्नल यूज़ कर रही हूँ। I really love the quality of the paper and it's just perfect for art journaling. And yeah, if you want to buy this journal from Itsy Bitsy, you can use my coupon code Shreya for extra discount. I started collecting my art supplies and few things जो भी मैं journal में use कर सकती हूँ, and usually this is enough for me to get started. And this time my excitement was a little extra क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी कि अब सब इस पेज के डिटेल प्रोसेस को देखो। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दी आइडियाज़, फिर लेयर्स कैसे बिल्ड होते हैं, कलर्स कैसे चूज़ होते हैं एंड हाउ इन द एंड ब्यूटिफुली एवरीथिंग स्लोली कम्स टुगेदर। आई जेन्युइनली एन्जॉयड द होल प्रोसेस। और जब आप किसी चीज़ से कनेक्ट हो जाते हो ना, यू नेचुरली फाइंड रीजन्स टू कंटिन्यू, राइट? And that's how your mind works once you feel that connection. I put all my worries aside, whether it is going to look good or bad. It's all about the process, which is why it is an art journal and not a big giant canvas. बिना ओवरथिंक किए नेचुरली बस पेज पर अपने इमोशंस और आइडियाज़ को फ्रीली फ्लो होने दो। लेट योर क्रिएटिविटी फ्लो एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट एन्जॉइंग एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग। Okay, do let me know this in the comments. Does creativity even need inspiration? No, I don't think so. Sometimes you just start, mess around a little, and things slowly comes together. You don't have to wait for the perfect idea or the perfect mood. बस स्टार्ट कर दो, ट्राई करो और धीरे धीरे आइडियाज़ अपने आप फ्लो करने लगते हैं। Sometimes the act of creating itself sparks the inspiration and before you know it, you have made something that is really beautiful. When I don't feel inspiration coming, I head to my workstation anyway. Sometimes just a little change in the environment also sparks creativity. Seeing my supplies, moving to a different corner, maybe turning on some music, and suddenly ideas start flowing. Even if I'm not sure what I want to do, but sitting there, picking up my colors, trying little things, dheere dheere, the page starts filling up and the ideas just come naturally. It's funny how creativity works. You don't always need a perfect thought. Sometimes just showing up is enough. Okay, now let me share something with you all. Sometimes I feel like my journal is the only place where I can really experiment with colors, play with shapes and lines, write random thoughts, doodle freely. And you know what? There is no one to judge me. It's like my own little colorful kingdom. Since it was winter and really cold outside, it somehow made everything feel better for me. There was this cozy, relaxed vibe that helped me to slow down and continue with ease and patience. I was just sitting there with a warm cup of tea, soft music playing in the background, and slowly the ideas began to flow on their own. Dheere dheere, the page started coming together in its own way. It felt like one of those moments where creativity doesn't need control. You just trust it, enjoy it, and let it guide you. It was the most relaxing day this winter. Another way that I feel really helps to improve creativity is simply going for a walk. Because apparently, research says walking actually improves your creativity, and now that I think about it, it really makes sense. Sometimes I just step out for a quick walk, बिना किसी plan के fresh air, थोड़ा movement, and somehow the mind feels lighter, and automatically everything starts feeling better and more inspired. It's been a long time since I took a proper long walk, and I almost forgot how much I used to enjoy it. Just walking around, looking at the plants and flowers and listening to the birds. और फिर जब हम थोड़ा स्लो हो जाते हैं लाइफ में, रूटीन से ब्रेक लेते हैं, तब हमें रियलाइज़ होता है कि ये छोटी चीज़ें जैसे प्लांट्स को देखना, बर्ड्स की आवाज़ सुनना या बस हल्का सा वॉक लेना, वही चीज़ हमें कितनी अच्छी लगती थी। वो सिंपल मोमेंट्स ही हमें हमेशा याद रह जाते हैं। I also try to pick up a new hobby or something to pursue just to get a fresh perspective on creative thinking. It could be anything from learning a new dance form, a new language, trying out a recipe, gardening, pottery, sketching, photography, crafting, calligraphy, making candles, or even just experimenting it with music. I mean, literally anything that you might enjoy and get excited about. It can also give you a break from your regular routine. मैं कभी कभी ट्राई करती हूँ कि कुछ नया एक्सप्लोर करूँ, जैसे डिफरेंट सरफेस पर पेंट करना या नए आइटम्स यूज़ करना, जैसे मैंने इस जर्नल पेज में किया है. This way, I am creating something I have not done before. I hope sharing my inspiration here helps you to find your inspiration somewhere. In the end, I would like to say that don't force if you don't feel creative or motivated. The worst thing you could do to yourself is having negative emotions with your art. And I mean, take a break. It's okay to have an off day. Come back when you feel motivated, and believe me, it will be more enjoyable than ever. Alright, that is all from my side today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week with a new art form. Until then, take care. Bye bye.